discuss this one. Then question number 11B. Okay, this is question number 11B at the top of the page. Okay, question number 11B. Here it is. 54 students of class IX are taking part in sports or in music or in both activities. Okay, this means there is no complement. You हेर्दाखेरि थाहा भइसक्यो यसमा कम्प्लिमेन्ट छैन भनेर, किन भन्दा 54 students of class IX are taking part in कोही स्पोर्ट्समा they are taking part. Okay, some of them are taking part in music and some of them are taking in both activities. Means there are no students who are not taking part in any activities. Okay, so there are no students who are not taking part in any activities. So out of them, 9 students are taking part in both activities. Intersection given. The ratio of the number of students who are taking part in sports to those who are taking part in music is 5:4. Ratio ma given cha. त्यही भएर अलि केही कन्फ्युजन होला. Okay, that's why I am going to do here. Ratio मा given भए पनि हामी के गर्छौं त, एउटालाई 5x सपोज गर्छौं, अर्कोलाई 4x सपोज गर्छौं. Okay, so how many students are taking part in sports? Sports मा कतिले भाग लिइराछन्, पार्टिसिपेट भइराछन्? How many students are taking part in music only? Music only मा कति छन्? Illustrate this information in a Venn diagram. Okay, we have to show this information in a Venn diagram. So question you have seen. Okay, now let's do this question on a board. Okay, I'm going to do this question on a board. You can see this question in your book. Okay, page number 23. If you have got this book, then look at there in page number 23. Okay, now I'm going to remove this one and let's do this one on the board. Okay, so let's do question number 11B. Okay, so question number 11B. Let's suppose here. I'm going to say it, first we have to suppose here language. Okay, sets we have to suppose here sets. Okay, so suppose here. के छ त म्युजिक स्पोर्ट्स र म्युजिक छ है, दुईटा एक्टिभिटिजहरु के छ त स्पोर्ट्स र म्युजिक छ. That's why we are going to suppose here let S and M. Okay, S and M be the sets of students who are taking part okay, who are taking part in sports and music respectively. Okay, sports and music respectively. Let S and M be the sets of students who are taking part in sports and music respectively. Okay, first of all we have to suppose the sets in this way. And what are given here? 54 students. We have already discussed that there is no complement. You know that all the students are taking part either in music or in sports or in both activities. Either or भनेको छ, कुनै न कुनै activity मा participate हुँदैछन् students. That's why there is no universal. Okay, universal भएन भने हाम्रो n of S union M gives us total number of students. हामीलाई यसले total number of students दिन्छ. Okay, n of S union M equals to 54. This gives total number of students. Out of them, 9 students are taking part in both activities. 9 students are taking part in both activities. N of S intersection M. This is equals to 9. Okay. So N of S intersection M. N of S intersection M is equals to 9. N of S union M भनेको 54. N of S intersection M means 9. And other things are also given here. The ratio of the number of students who are taking part in sports भनेको ratio भनेको यसलाई भन्छ N of S is 2. Okay, who are taking part in sports to those who are taking part in music. To those भनेको S who are taking part in music. Okay, भनेको त sports to music भनेको नि. Sports to music भनेको ratio sports to music भनेको N of S is to N of M. Okay, this is given here 5:4. Okay, so यसरी हामीलाई ratio मा given छ भने हामीले ratio how to remove here ratio मा हामीले यसलाई कसरी हटाउने त या यो individual कति भनेर how to write. Okay, just you have to write here 5x 4x. Okay, if you suppose here x is the common unit of ratio, x common unit of ratio हो भने, then simply you can write 5x. What you can write here? त्यसो भए त हामीले n of s भनेको we can write here 5x. Clear? यसरी रेशियोमा गिभन छ भने छुट्टा छुट्टै लेख्नु पर्यो भने यसरी यो अगाडि चाहिँ छ यो यसरी है त, n of s at first 5 at first. Okay, n of s equals to 5x. And n of m equals to n of m. Okay, secondly 4 secondly, that's why 4x. So now we find here individual find out भइसक्यो. ns भनेको 5x हुनुपर्छ, n of m भनेको 4x हुनुपर्छ. Okay, in ratio given, रेशियोमा गिभन छ भने हामीले छुट्टा छुट्टै यसरी लेख्न मिल्छ. ओके, सो यसरी लेखिसक्यौं भने अब हामीलाई के सोधेको छ त, हाउ मेनी स्टुडेन्ट्स आर टेकिङ पार्ट इन स्पोर्ट्स. स्पोर्ट्समा भनेको यो n of s को भ्यालु कति हुन्छ भने सोधेको है, 5x को भ्यालु कति हुन्छ भने सोधेको. सो वी आर गोइङ टु फाइन्ड इट. अब त्यो हामी आई नम्बरमा सोधेको क्वेशनलाई जस्ट राइट हियर, n of s is equals to what. ओके, n of s is equals to what. n of s भनेको कति हुन्छ, 5x को भ्यालु कति हुन्छ भने सोधेको हो. त्यसको लागि यु नो द रिलेसन, यो n of s युनियन m को रिलेसन, n of s इन्टरसेक्सन m को रिलेसन, n of s n of m. ओके, यति कुराहरु भयो भने you know the formula. Okay, so यसको by formula, let's write here general formula. Directly हामीले modified form मा formula नलेखे पनि general formula त you can write. Okay, by formula, can you write the formula for n of s union m? Do you know? Okay, can you tell me?
N of s plus n of m minus n s
minus intersection plus union complement.
Okay, यसमा त complement छैन, त्यही भएर okay, I think Sonim was saying correct. Okay, यसमा चाहिँ simply हामीलाई n of s plus n of m र simply n of s intersection m है त. यसमा चाहिँ हामीले intersection लाई के गर्नु पर्यो, माइनस गर्नु पर्छ. फेरि इलेक्सनको क्वेशन सम्झे भन्दै प्लसै हुन्छ नि. फेरि इलेक्सनको क्वेशन होइन है, इलेक्सनको क्वेशन होइन भने यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले इन्टरसेक्सनलाई माइनस गर्नुपर्छ. यदि यहाँ अन्ली पार्ट छैन भने, यहाँ छैन पनि, यो अन्ली होइन, अन्ली नभएको बेलामा यो माइनसै गर्नुपर्छ. ओके, इलेक्सनको क्वेशनमा चाहिँ हामीले सबै प्लस गर्नुपर्छ है त. ओके, सो n of s union m equals to n of s plus n of m minus n of s intersection m. So now let's put the values. n of s union m means 54. 54 is equals to n of s means 5x, and then n of m means 4x. Okay, n of s intersection m means that is 9. Now take this 9 this side. 54 plus 9 is equals to 5x plus 4x means 9x. Okay, so what we'll find here? 54 plus 9, 63 is equals to 9x. Okay, 63 is equals to 9x. Now we can find the value for x from here. Yes, what is x to value we can easily find. Okay, and the x to value we can easily find. So let's find here the value of x. Okay, so we can write here 63 divided by 9 is equals to x. 9 7s are 63. You can cancel here. So 7 is equals to x. Or x is equals to 7 we found. अब हामीलाई सोधेको n of s हो. Okay, again n of s to find out गर्नु पर्यो. Again n of s is equals to 5x. So now let's put the value of 7 here. 5 into 7, 7 5s are 35. Okay, simply we have to put the value of x in 5x. Now we found here n of s. How many students are taking part in sports? Okay, hence 35 students. 35 students are taking part. 35 students are taking part in sports. Okay, 35 students are taking part in sports. Okay, this one is completed. Now second one, how many students are taking part in music only? Lo, I ma ta hamile music only bhaneko n not m ho. N not m is equals to what? Okay, hamile n not m sodyo. N not m is equals to what? अब यसको पनि फर्मुला युज गरौँ. By formula, Okay, by formula n not m भनेको चाहिँ के हुन्छ त? What is the formula for n not m?
N only M minus N.
No, you have to tell me the formula of n only m कोही formula चाहियो.
NM plus NM minus N S intersection M.
Very good. Nm minus n s intersection m. Okay, so this is the formula for n of m. N of m means 4x, right? 4x and minus intersection, that is given 9. Okay, so you put the value for x. 4 into x to value equal to 7 or minus 9. Okay, so 28 minus 9. So this will be 19. Okay, so n only m भनेको 19. Okay, it is asked here. हामीलाई सोधेको पनि n only m हो. n only m भनेको how many students are taking part in music only? Hence 19 students. 19 students are taking part in music only. Taking part in music only. Okay. Hence 19 students are taking part in music only. So in this way, I also have solved. And last one, illustrate this information in a Venn diagram. Okay. Now we have to show Venn diagram. We have to show the information in a Venn diagram. So let's see here. Let's show. Right? अब हामी यसलाई I मा चाहिँ हामीलाई show the above information in a Venn diagram भनेको छ. So let's show. Okay. So third one is showing now showing. Okay. Now showing above information in a Venn diagram. Now showing above information above information in a Venn diagram. Okay. Now we have to show here in a Venn diagram. So just make your two sets. Both sets are intersecting sets. Okay. हामीलाई यहाँ दुवै सेट कस्तो हो त intersecting sets हो. One is sports and another is music. Sport or music. Okay. Two sets are here. Intersection is already given. हामीलाई intersection 9 भनेर given छदैछ. So this is the intersection n of s intersection m. Okay. This is the intersection part. Intersection भयो. अब हामीलाई if you just simply touch here, यसलाई हामीले simply touch गर्यौं भने यो n of s हुन्छ. Okay. Simply यसलाई हामीले simply touch गर्यौं भने this is n of m हुन्छ है त. अब only त हामीलाई थाहा भइसक्यो. n only m भनेको 19 हो. You can directly write here. Okay. You can directly write 19 हो नि. n only m भनेको 19. अब यताको only find out गर्नु पर्यो. यताको only भनेको total 35 हो. Okay. 35 minus 9. What we have to write here? 35 minus 9. So let's write here 35 minus 9. That will be 26. Okay, so write here 26. So in this way we have shown here in a Venn diagram. हामीले Venn diagram मा पनि show गरिसक्यौं. This is the complete solution for question number 11B. Okay. Okay, so